So it's an incredibly exciting time in advanced robotics today, as many of you may have observed. Incredible amounts of ferment in this space. And generally in terms of what we and many others, including a company who's adopted this name, for physical AI. So, which we think of as the application of some of this cutting-edge AI technology to real-world problems and machines that interact with the real world. And what I want to talk to you about today is what we've found are some of the key principles in being successful in bringing that really exciting technology to the real world. And I'll need this because John's,
sorry, yes.
You armed me to be self-sufficient. Thank you. So the supply chain. The supply chain desperately needs and can be automated. If we think about the demographics, not just in the developed world, but throughout the world, we have a declining working age populations, and in environments like the warehouse, very high absenteeism and injury. So there's a real need to apply automation simply to keep the supply chain functioning and becoming more cost effective. And the technology is there to solve this problem. And many companies, Pickle included, have been able to, in the lab and even in pilots, show that this kind of automation is possible. Where many robotics technology companies stumble is going from pilot into production. And it's actually that step that delivers value for the customer. There is enormous demand in the supply chain for automation. So all the big companies you can think of are more than happy to try stuff and to pilot things. The hard part is moving from that stage into broad adoption, where you as a vendor start making money and the customer starts experiencing ROI. We've found that accepting complexity, and I'll talk about what I mean by that, having a test and validation strategy that is suitable to the task, and customer collaboration are some of the three key principles to moving from pilot into production, as Pickle has done in the last year.